You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in North Hollywood. We're trying to find a spot. Burrito Bomba.
So this place is it's like a newly opened spot. So these guys come out here, hustle every day, man. They come out here. So they're like Dave's Hot Chicken almost. They pop up tent, whatnot. But the burrito looks awesome. We're gonna check it out for you. Follow us. So we're at this spot called Burrito Bomba. That's a little like, so they're almost like the way Dave's Hot Chicken and like Bangin' Buns started. They have like a little tent set up. I mean, these guys are hustling, man. These guys are hustling.
These guys are waking up at 5 in the morning.
Yeah, these guys are hustling, man. Hustling. These guys are dope. So we went out here to go try their burrito, and we got it done the Bomba way. That shit was just created today.
And so one of the cool things is, like, if you look at their tortillas, it's red, right? And it's a tomato-based tortilla. And they get it fresh daily. It's
amazing. So they come here really early and they start cooking their ass off. But I mean, we got the steak. So you have steak, bacon, eggs, tomato, their homemade salsa, and their own bomba sauce that's in here is legit. And then they got it Bomba way, which is they coat the whole burrito with cheese. Ooh. And then they kind of hit it in the fryer. And I mean the fryer on the grill.
And just to let you know,
so good looking, man.
That Bomba way is not in their menu. It's only if you follow them. It's a little inside tip.
Instagram.
Inside tip.
We're gonna try this out. So all the bacon, the potatoes that they put in there, the Cajun spices, and the meat, and the way they cook their bacon, they make it extra crispy, man. That's a thumbs up for me.
And they chop up their bacon too. So you got bacon in every bite. And they got their house sauce that they make.
You gotta come check this place out. Come early. So like this place is kind of like difficult to find, man. They're literally in between like a car place, the stuff we're standing in front of, and in between Arco and this little spot.
LA Collision Center and Arco. There's like
right in between right there. So if you guys have a hard time finding it, say thank you because you watched this video. And they're also gonna put up a sign soon because there's no sign out. You literally can't tell that they're out here, except you call them and ask them where they're at. But it's on Lancashire, right? It's on Lancashire and Strathern.
And they're open in the morning.
And they're open pretty much almost every day. Except the weekends, you gotta kind of check their hours because it fluctuates. But the burrito is good. You guys gotta come out and check these guys out, man. They're hustling every day, right? They're hustling every day so they can come and cook for y'all. Yeah, and they're working their way up to like bigger and brighter things. Like, come support these guys.
Support them. Let them know we sent you. Also, let us know what you think about this place in the comments below. It's good. But do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos just like this one.
Any other spots for us to check out, leave them in the comments below. And most of all, share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Hadouken!